wiki.ezvid.com. Search Ezvid Wiki before you decide. Ezvid presents the 10 best baking molds. Let's get started with the list. Starting off our list at number 10, with a half dozen each of hearts, roses, stars and rounds. letgoshop reusables can add flair to quick and easy baked goods, dress things up for a special occasion, or just win over picky eaters with a novel approach to breakfast quiches. It's an inexpensive option offering multi-purpose versatility. However, it may absorb odors. At number 9, be prepared for those days when all your child's pals show up unexpectedly with the freshware silicone cake pops or gingerbread house forms. You can whip up a batch on short notice and provide free entertainment by letting the kids decorate their own. It's non-toxic and phthalate-free and comes with 24 paper sticks, but it can be confusing to the less experienced. Coming in at number 8 on our list, the newline stainless steel make it easy to transform everyday fare into something extraordinary. Make elegant finger sandwiches, delicate breakfast parfaits, and gorgeous layered desserts with all the artistry of a professional caterer. This set comes with 4 covers, and they're also usable as cake cutters. However, because of that, they do have sharp metal edges. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for baking molds, or simply click beneath this video. At number 7, use the TYH Lego lovers to become a brick builder's best friend by fabricating your own version of those eponymous blocks and minifigures. Cook up a memorable batch of Minecraft morsels, construct custom cake toppers, or use them to make ice cubes and frozen treats. This is an excellent gift idea that can also be used to make homemade crayons, but note that the sizes are non-standard. Moving up our list to number 6, make gourmet dog biscuits at home in Fido's favorite flavors with Dogue Mini. A booklet of healthy pet-friendly recipes is included, but you can also use them to make chocolate paw prints and other puppy-themed treats for the whole family. It's made from FDA-approved materials and is dishwasher safe. You can make 44 at a time. Halfway up our list at number 5, mitba cake shapers can replace stacks of specialty bakeware and save a ton of space in your kitchen. Just fold and lock them into your own custom configurations to make cookie hearts, tiered layers, or whatever else you can dream up. They're 100% leak-proof and come with photo instructions. Note that they have to be used on a flat baking sheet. At number 4, with bekith silicone on hand, you can have your bonbons and eat them too, creating whimsical candles, soaps, or candy masterpieces at home. Featuring tiny dinosaurs, smiles, and other forms, they'll withstand temperatures ranging from -40 to 446 degrees Fahrenheit. These offer a smooth release for chocolate making and reliable long-term use. They're soft and waterproof. Nearing the top of our list at number 3, the Chambers Bay Baker's Dozen eliminates the need for peeling soggy paper off your cupcakes before eating them. These reusable silicone liners come in an array of pretty pastels that can be tossed in the dishwasher when the party's over. They're great for individual frittatas and are a sturdy construction. You can choose a standard or jumbo size. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for baking molds, or simply click beneath this video. At number 2, the Force is with the Vibrant Kitchen, an 8-piece set for making edible R2-D2s, Master Yodas, X-Wing fighters, and more Star Wars fan favorites. Use them to put together a themed party, or just make your kids the envy of the school cafeteria. These are freezer and oven safe with no toxic coating. They're well balanced and compact. And taking the top spot on our list, versatile pantry elements come in an assortment of sizes and shapes for all sorts of projects, from whipping up a batch of muffins or mini quiches to packing colorful bento-style lunches for the kids, making them a great addition to anyone's pantry. They're BPA and PVC free and offer a non-stick easy release. They're made from food-grade silicone. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for baking molds, or simply click beneath this video.